Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On the 2017 Ford Raptor, I installed some pod lights up on the cowling and some updated fog lights down below. I want to show you how cool it looks at night. Alright, here are the low beams, high beams, fog lights, pod lights. That is so much brighter. Dang. Alright guys, I want to quickly walk you through some of the wiring here that I did. This is for the pod lights. There, went ahead and just zip tied it here. And over here, I don't know if you saw this, I was able to take the air duct out, take out these two, I call them Christmas trees, but they pull up. These are kind of interesting ones because they have a center one. That center one will come out and then the outer one will come out. But I was able to lift it up, put the wiring harness down beneath there, tie it down. I don't like having mismatched, you know, zip ties and stuff, but hey, it's a little bit tighter, cleaner, and neater than it was before. It's kind of keeping stuff up out of the way. Also wanted to show you one thing in here real quick. If you go to do your wiring harness for these, you're gonna have two different ones. There's one right here to the left, and one on the right. Let's see if I can see it here. I'm casting a real bad shadow. This bundle right here to the right. It's all taped up to this wiring harness. Go down and you'll find it right there. So the ones on the right hand side go inside the truck. That allows you to wire up if you wanted a dash cam, some sort of internal light, or a heavier duty charging port or something. If you were doing that, who knows, you might have cameras or something set up and you need more power in there than the truck provides. But if you want external lighting for the aux switches, it's this bundle right here on the left hand side. And the reason I know is because I hooked up to that one first on the right hand side and nothing happened. I was like, what the hell? Went digging over here further and found the secondary bundle. So that works. Also inside of your Ford Performance booklet here, you're gonna have a Raptor supplement. Towards the back, let's see, it's like 3 or 4 pages in. There we go, 45. Here is where it describes which ones you need. Let's see if we can get that to focus. But here are your color combos, and I know that they're different year after year. So there are some guys who've complained of having some 17s, the early ones, versus the later year production 17s having the wrong color combo or a different arrangement of these colors. So for my 17, it does appear it was made in April of 17. These are accurate. These actually match. So take a screenshot of them, but I did go off of aux 1 and 2 because I wanted 15 amps on them. The second, or the third and fourth aux go for 10 amp, and then the fifth and sixth, last ones, are the smallest amperage if you're running something small, but the more the merrier. Hopefully that helps for you guys. Alright guys, well hopefully that helps you kind of doing your own wiring harness in your own truck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's time to go cruising. Just wanted to say one other thing real quick. You could go ahead and pay a shop to do all your wiring like this, just for ease of mind, so you know that it functions without a doubt. If you're paying somebody else, it's kind of their problem then. But it's very easy. You can do this. Anybody can do this. If you follow your guides, if you Google it, YouTube it, or you can stick around on this channel, because as soon as I find out stuff, I'm going to be passing on the information to you guys, because clearly I'm an enthusiast. We're going to be doing a lot more to this truck in 2024. I appreciate you guys for sticking around, and I hope you enjoy this content because a lot more is coming. But if you have any comments or suggestions, what are some of your favorite LED lights that go on these trucks? The only thing I'm kind of against is drilling into it. I really don't like drilling into it. I feel like that's more of a permanent modification. It can be fixed, but I hate the idea. If you have anything that's bolt on, sound off. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.